So here I am going to teach you how to handle questions in which graphs are involved. The questions from this chapter which could be asked is regarding this psi versus r, psi square versus r, and 4 pi r square versus so 4 pi r square psi square versus r. Okay, what does this tell? A psi tell about the electron wave function, or what we say wave function amplitude. We can write this amplitude of electron wave psi. Psi square tells about probability density, density, and there is 4 pi r square psi square tells about radial probability distribution, radial probability distribution. Okay, so we are going to discuss this for one orbital we'll take. Let's start with a 1s orbital. 1s orbital, in here I am going to consider only radial node. Okay, so here radial node for 1s orbital, you know that radial node is 0 radial node. For the 1s orbital, if I ask about density psi wave function for the s orbital, this is nucleus, and if you see the picture of the s orbital, then at the center there is a high probability. If you see that picture, like here the density is very high and it is decreasing, right? So for the s orbital, when radius means this is representing a nucleus, this will be a maximum, and as you go away from the radius, it will fall, right? It will fall. Same way psi square. If I am showing psi square, if I am showing psi over here, this curve, if I am showing this curve for the psi, then psi square will be square of it. It will be this way. And what about 4 pi r square? It is this. Okay, this is with respect to 1s orbital. What would be a graph for a 2s orbital? Let's take it for the 2s orbital. 2s orbital, I'll draw small graph because many graph we have to learn. This is 4 pi r square psi square versus r. This is psi square versus r. This is psi versus r. Right. For the 2s orbital, there is one radial node, right? So the graph will be this way. From 0 it is high. For the s orbital, it will fall this way, and this will be a nature. I'll make it this way. R is here, so it is this way, right? So this point represents a node. Which node? A radial node. These are two boundaries. What about psi square? Psi square is a square, like this is a positive and this is negative. Square means what? There won't be any negative sign, so it will be this way. I should show it this way. Okay, I should show it this way. This is for both will be positive over here. This is a node it represents. And for 4 pi r square, for 4 pi square r square for s orbital, it will be 1 minute. It will be this way. Okay, this is the thing you have to remember. See, both these graphs will be kind of not exactly opposite. Here this is maximum, here it is 0, right? This is with respect to 2s orbital. Now let's understand what kind of graph we can expect for the p orbital. Okay, for the p orbital, first graph, that is psi versus r. Let's take a 2p orbital. Let's take a 2p or 3p orbital. Let's take 3p orbital because I want one radial node. Okay, so 3p orbital. So what will happen is that psi versus r. See, for the p orbital, this is a center nucleus, right? So here it is 0 means what? At the nucleus, the wave function psi is 0, right? So this is for the 2p orbital. Just make a note of this. So from here it will increase, from here it will increase, and then there is a one node. Okay, there is one node. This where it cuts the r axis, it's called as a node. Which node? A radial node, right? Then what about this psi square versus r? Psi square versus r, the graph would be this way. This would be a graph for a psi square versus r of a 2p orbital. Sorry, I have shown this opposite, not this way. That graph will be for 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, psi square versus r, this graph. Okay, it is this way. So this is the thing. For same way for the 3p orbital, sorry, this is for the 3p orbital. Just make a change. It is for the 3p orbital, right? For 2p orbital, there won't be any radial node. It will be just one hump this way. Okay, so this is 3p. So let's do it for the 4p orbital. 4p orbital, the radial node, there will be two radial node. So the graph, what I can expect for a psi versus r is this way. One is this way, two radial node. And for a psi square versus r square, psi square versus r, I mean not r square, it is this way. Okay, and for 4 pi r square versus psi square r, what we can expect, a graph is this way. Okay, so these are the things, these are the graph which could be asked possibly. That's it.